If you want to earn money from Amazon through affiliate marketing, then you need to create a Amazon associate or Amazon affiliate account, and in this video I am going to show you how you can create that. Search the Amazon Associates on Google and click the first link. It will take you to the Amazon Associate. You need to click this sign up and then fill in the details. If you already have an account, you can sign in. Otherwise, click create your account. Give in the details, feed in your name, email address, password, and then re-enter the password. Click create your account. So here you have to verify the email address by going to your email and then finding the one-time password which they have already sent you. You can copy that from your email and enter it here. You can find that code over here, copy that and enter into your and click create Amazon account. Now you have to give in the details. You have to give the name, exact name which you have on your bank account, and then you have to give the address, city, the province in which you are living, the zip code of that area, the country which you are living, and you have to also give the phone number because they will verify your account through the phone number. So add in these details. Here you have to add the website address on which you want to promote your affiliate links. You can also give the YouTube channel link over here. Then click next. Here you have to select no by stating that your website is not directed towards the children under 13. So select no and confirm. Here you have to give the associate store ID. You can give anything, any name which you want, and then you have to give the details about your website, what topics you're going to cover, and what Amazon products you are likely to promote, and what is the primary source of your traffic. How do you usually build links? You can give the select the appropriate answers. Since I am making it for the YouTube channel, so I have selected others. You have to give the total number of visitors you are getting on your website, and you have to give the primary reason for joining the associate account to monetize your website, and from where have you heard about this. Type this CAPTCHA, agree to the terms, and click finish. And your Amazon associate account has been created. You can enter the payment and tax information right now, or you can do it later by just selecting the later. And over here now would you see the daily traffic, your clicks, and your sales. And here you would see the number of clicks, bounties, and the amount of commissions you've got. You'll get the summary of earnings on this side. Now how would you get an affiliate link to promote? Go to the main Amazon website. Select the product you want to promote. So in the top you would see a bar in which you would see the word text, image, and text plus image, which means that you can get the text link, you can get an image link, and you can also get a text plus image link. So in this tutorials I am going to show you only that how you can get a text link. From here you can get this short link, or you can also get the full link, but it is preferable that you get a short link. Copy this link, and from now on you can promote it onto your website or a YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.